Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Amir Karam, and today I'm sharing with you an honest, real-life healing journey of one of my vertical restore patients. But first, if you're new here, I'm a board-certified facial plastic surgeon and founder and creator of KaramMD Skin. I specialize in facial rejuvenation, which basically means I help people look as young as they feel. And if you like this type of content and you want to see more of it, make sure you subscribe at the bell. All right, let's get into it.
So we just did the markings. The laxity in the jawline and neck area is all going to be addressed with a vertical restore, bringing all this up here through the shape of the neck, and then bring everything upward.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Yeah.
This is day one. I'm not doing so bad. Had all this taken off and they cleaned me up today. Got a couple of drains. Looking good. My turkey neck is gone. Today is day 2. It's Saturday, so I had surgery Thursday. So Friday, Saturday, day 2. Not only is my face looking good, even though I'm going through all the swelling. Look at my hands. I had the fat transfer. They're looking good too. Everything's looking good, feeling good. Just a lot of relaxation here. My niece just came to visit me, and she couldn't believe how I looked. She was kind of nervous to walk in the door and look around the corner. But nope. Day 4. Look at my hands. Those are looking beautiful. Everything's looking quite nice. So swollen, but nothing beyond recognition. Couldn't be happier at this point, and I know it's even gonna get better. Okay, my daughter is 5 years old. She's back home with family, going to school every day while I'm here at a spa day. I'm just having a good time. I'm by myself in the hotel. This is what I discovered. So these are my little sutures. Look at these vertical restores. I doubt you can barely see them. But, you know, when you're putting in all your Aquaphor, because you clean with hydrogen peroxide and then you put some Aquaphor, just know your sutures are down here. I thought these big clumps up here, well, it's gone now. It was just dried blood, so I was putting so much on it, right? Well, now look at what I'm dealing with. I got like super Aquaphor here, which is like Vaseline. Not a big deal, but your sutures are right down here and they're so fine. I don't even think you can see them. This is just real, showing the real deal here. But see how you can style your hair even with Aquaphor? So that's a little bonus. Just a tip, a little bonus. You can be styling your hair. This is, I think, the worst day of my swelling because my eyes look better today. Last night when I went to bed, and my neck, I felt like a mummy. Not painful, just I could feel it. But today, waking up at 5:30 as normal, just ready to roll. Don't know what I'm gonna roll to, but I'm ready to roll. So I'm staying at the Residence Inn. Just want to give you an idea. And then you walk across the street and that's Dr. Karam's office. It's a 5-minute walk. Go in the back door and do what you need to do. Come back with some goodies. This is the perfect situation. It's easy. It is the morning of day 8. I wore this to bed last night. So at night when I'm sleeping, I don't tend to touch anything. I do not have any more sutures. The yellowing from after surgery is almost disappeared. I had some bruising under my eyes. That's almost 100% gone. I still have swelling, but nothing like I had. You can see those suture lines just really are blending in. Those lines are almost gone. I still have some bruising here, but I mean, this is the morning of day 8, waking up, feeling good, very happy, very pleased.
My week's been fantastic, actually. There hasn't been a difficult or challenging day since I've been here. And so it's just been really a little mini vacation too, because none of this has been difficult.
These little teenage hands, they look so good.
The one thing I looked forward to that was really fascinating to me is looking in the mirror. And the first time I looked in the mirror, I started kind of having these flashbacks of myself because of my eyes. Over the last about 5 years, my eyes have really changed. When I entered menopause at 52, my skin changed, my eyes got really heavy, my jawline got heavier. So I was having flashbacks to 20. I know I don't look 20. I was having them back to 30 and in my 40s. Now, I just say that, and it truly is the eyes that have just brought this out and make me feel truly, I look the way I feel. I'm a very busy person. I have a young 5-year-old, very active. I want to look the way I feel. I'm very energetic. I do a lot. And one thing is I started to look tired, but I never felt tired. And I didn't want people to believe that I was tired because I'm a busy person. So I feel, I just feel very rejuvenated. And this has brought even more confidence to me.
I hope you got a realistic and very clear vision of the healing process. If you want to learn more about skincare and the Vertical Restore, make sure you click on the links below to KaramMDSkin.com and drkaram.com. I hope you all enjoyed it. Until next time, Dr. Amir Karam.